Retreat 2025 wasn't just a trip. It was a celebration of teamwork, connection, and the people who make everything possible. Our journey began on December 26th as the team came together over lunch, excitement, and shared laughter. With spirits high, we traveled to the cool and scenic city of Tagaytay, ready to disconnect from routine and reconnect with one another. By afternoon, we arrived at Grachi Getaway Farm, our home for the next 3 days. Surrounded by nature and calm, it instantly set the tone for rest, bonding, and meaningful moments. As evening came, we shared our first dinner together, followed by Beez Connect Karaoke Night, a night filled with music, confidence, and laughter that echoed across the farm. Day 2 was where teamwork truly came alive. After breakfast, we jumped into a full day of interactive playworks led by the Grachi facilitators. Each challenge pushed us to communicate better, trust deeper, and work smarter. From problem-solving games to high-energy team battles, every moment reminded us that success is built together. But the highlight of the retreat came as night fell. We gathered at Bahay Ne Maria and Martha restaurant for a night that was nothing short of magical. The atmosphere was filled with warmth, celebration, and excitement as we enjoyed a special dinner together. Smiles lit up the room, cameras flashed at the photo booth, and memories were captured, one snapshot at a time. The awarding night honored dedication, growth, and hard work. Cheers filled the room as names were called, recognition was given, and achievements were celebrated. It was a powerful reminder that every effort matters and every role counts. The night continued with Christmas games, raffles, and gift exchanges, bringing out pure joy and childlike excitement. Laughter, surprises, and heartfelt moments filled the room, turning colleagues into family and making the night truly unforgettable. On day 3, we slowed down and reflected on the journey we shared. Through meaningful conversations and final activities, we took with us not just lessons, but renewed motivation and stronger connections. Retreat 2025 reminded us that when we come together, celebrate each other, and grow as one, there's nothing we can't achieve together.